In this video, we will show you how to activate the transport mode. This is a special requirement when traveling by train in Switzerland, so you don't have to pay toll. When the truck boards the train, it's important to set the onboard unit to transport mode. This should be done before you leave the truck cabin. To activate transport mode, go to Configuration CH-LSV, where you will find Transport Mode. Select On to activate and press the right key for OK. When traveling in transport mode, the display will show Tolling Deactivated CH-LSV and the status ring will turn red. Transport mode can be preset before entering Switzerland, so when you cross the Swiss border, the onboard unit will automatically switch to transport mode. This mode remains active until you deactivate it or leave Switzerland. For more information and any detailed questions that you may have, contact your supervisor or fleet manager.